Hey everyone, what's going on? We have a little something special today. We are here at Cleveland Ducati for the Ready for Red event. I'm excited to go check out the new bikes that they have and see everything they have in store. And we're also going to get our first sneak peek at the SP2. And I'm wearing my SP2 shirt. And if you paid attention to one of the track videos, and I may have leaked a little bit, but I guess we'll use this as an official announcement. I have a V4 Streetfighter SP2 on order, and it should be here later this year. So tonight will be the first night I'll actually see the bike in person, and I'm really excited to see that. So let's get in there and see what's going on.
But I was cold. We're gonna have to be quiet because they're doing a sound check. Let's go. Disappear into the night.
Me and Jake are here.
What's up, guys?
We are hanging out at the Ready for Red event, and it is definitely filling up now. We were here a little earlier while they were setting everything up, and seeing all that was super cool. What do you think?
Free beer is a good beer, and I want to see my bike I ordered.
Yeah, me too. Jake ordered has a V4R, and then I have a Streetfighter SP2. So
They got our exhaust sitting right there for us conveniently.
everything's out.
The one that Kyle helped me put on the V4 that we play with. We'll be doing
We have two more.
two more.
Hey, Courtney.
Hi, Courtney.
What would you like to say?
That I've already seen all the bikes, and
Which one are you buying?
the one that I can afford, which is none of them.
Right,
but
right.
I do have to say the V4R is very shiny. It's pretty. That's my favorite for sure. But I do like the bicycles because I know how to ride those.
It's the hot info for Courtney.
Film you because I want to see your reaction.
okay, so-
your bike isn't here.
Sick.
It's not. So
Sweet.
yeah.
Never mind.
This is called Ready for Red, and the idea behind this is for us to be able to share with you what we have planned for this next year. But also, because of the suspension, we raised the ground.
The bike is right there. I ordered that one. Shaw, dude, talk. Right there. What we've got right there.
Ladies and gents, the new Streetfighter V4 upgraded a significant amount of things with the motorcycle. The electronics, the riding position. So the new V4 Streetfighter SP2. Now, this is a motorcycle we don't have here tonight because honestly we're sold out, and if you're lucky you're going to see one in the flesh. It's a bit of a unicorn out there. But what makes this bike...
You're a unicorn, Kyle.
You have a horn.
He's got a horn.
Is really
One horn.
cool. It's this black livery. In fact, we call this the winter test livery on the SPs. Anybody know why they are the winter liveries or the test liveries are black? Anybody have an idea? No?
Good and narrow.
Not just because it looks cool. Well, it's actually because usually during the winter when they're out there testing the motorcycles, let's say November, December, even early January, they haven't necessarily figured out who the sponsors are going to be. So that's why the bikes are generally black. When you see a super bike out there or even a MotoGP bike, they're blacked out because they haven't figured out who is going to be on the bike. And we always thought that that looked cool, so we wanted to bring it to a production series motorcycle.
I think it's so cool.
And then, of course, some of the technological features on the motorcycle that has that drag clutch, that rattling drag clutch that you get from the Ducati. And then the carbon fiber.
Don't cream your teeth. Calm down.
Oh, that's way too late.
One of these SP2s
Pants have been creamed a long time ago.
As well, which make them that special and that unique. And like I said, sadly, we actually are sold out of these for the production year this year. So if you're interested in one, 2024, put your name on a list and maybe somebody will drop off and you get lucky. So this is the new Streetfighter V4 SP2. Last couple of years, it's developed the Multistrada.
208.
I know the GM
228. 228 with the exhaust.
I enjoy it as well. And last year, the first time
That's a lot.
ever. Translates to an Alpine tour. And that the idea was is we're going to grab Multistrada riders from all over North America.
That's me too.
And we have these for this year.
Ducati
And every year we're going to host this
Giro
in place
Alpino.
different. Last year we decided to host it in Breckenridge,
Should go to
Colorado.
this.
We did this.
Uphill, crazy turns.
Look at all the
and it takes from
Multistradas.
15 mile an hour hairpin to 40 miles an hour.
But it was a great deal of fun. Yeah.
I have a Multistrada too.
Ladies and gentlemen, to your right, the new Panigale V4R.
That's insane.
Let me tell you a little bit about this motorcycle. Probably the most impressive thing right off the bat is the power that this thing can deliver. 240.5 horsepower with this bike. 37,000 miles between service intervals because it's a racing oil, but for that extra 3.5 horsepower, I don't think you're going to mind changing it. So let's talk about what's inside this engine, just a couple of the features. One of the things is that the pistons have actually, and the connecting rods have been redesigned. The connecting rods themselves are what we call a gun drill, which means that there is a hole that's been drilled from the bottom of the connecting rod all the way up to the wrist pin that allows for better lubrication. So this means that we can push the motor more because it's better lubricated and we have less friction.
Oh, the new tank is nice. I'm gonna get in so much trouble on this.
Starter bike.
Get Courtney a V4.
Good starter bike.
Yeah, you look good. He's fine. I do need this. Oh my god.
It already puts you in position. It's cheating. sitting outside.
We just got done with the Ready for Red event. I thought it was awesome. They had a bunch of cool bikes. They had the V4R, the new Streetfighter, the Scrambler Night Shift, the new V4 Diavel, the V4 Multistrada Rally Edition, the Monster SP, and the main reason we came, the Streetfighter V4 SP2, they didn't have. So that's kind of a bummer. So it was actually awesome to see all the bikes, but it was kind of unfortunate that the one bike that I've ordered wasn't here. But it's kind of cool that it's sold out and everything like that. So it is kind of an exclusive unicorn. So I'm just gonna take my time and be patient, and I'll see it when I see it. If you like this video and wanted to see more like it, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. It really helps and goes a long way. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.